So now we are going to discuss the isolations or the robo. So basically this tensing, moving and stopping is called a dime stop. You mildly tense, move and stop. Move and stop. Move and stop. Move and stop. So this dime stop is the basis of the isolation dance. So isolations is basically, isolated movements of one body part, like the neck, the elbow, the wrist, pivoting the feet. The second most important thing in isolations is, tensing. Tensing the muscles. So, like, when you clench your fist, when you clench your fist, you tense your muscles. So, if you clench your fist and then you move your hand, it'll move very slowly. If you overdo it, it'll start shaking, but if you just, like do it a little bit, then you'll have a lot more control. These two concepts, that is the isolated movement of a joint so these two concepts make the whole isolation dance. And then for this part, your exercise is to practice tensing and moving the elbow, tensing and moving the shoulder, tensing and moving the neck, the other shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, the back. So basically, you kind of tense one joint. So there are different joints in the body. There's the wrist. You tense the wrist and move the wrist. Then the elbow, neck, the back, so each and every joint you move it one at a time. Just tense it, move it, move the other joint, and then you've got yourself down with the isolation dance. Now one combo, like one combo to get the whole move down. Like you can practice a combo, and once you practice this, you'll get the whole idea of the isolation dance. Like I'll just give you a combo: move the wrist, move the neck, move the elbow, and pivot. So while pivoting, you put all the weight of the body on the heels and you move.